Somewhere in a lab right now, an engineer is watching a machine blink, breathe, and flinch like it's alive. And the unsettling truth is that you'd struggle to tell it apart from the person sitting next to you. We're counting down 12 robots built to look, move, and feel almost human. And the closer we get to number 1, the harder your brain is gonna fight what it's seeing. Beat 1. Engineered Arts Ameca. Kicking things off at number 12 is the robot that became the face of this entire movement, and one look explains why. Meet Ameca, built by Engineered Arts, and the moment its eyes lock onto yours, something primal in your gut tells you to look away. This isn't a stiff animatronic frozen in a theme park pose. Ameca's face is driven by dozens of tiny actuators hidden beneath a gray synthetic skin, and together they produce micro-expressions so subtle they border on involuntary. Watch it wake up, the eyes flutter open, the brow furrows in confusion, the head tilts as if it's genuinely surprised to find itself in a room full of strangers. It reacts to touch, follows people as they cross the lab, and pulls expressions of shock, curiosity, and mild irritation that feel disturbingly spontaneous. The skin tone is deliberately neutral, a quiet design choice meant to keep it from tipping fully into the uncanny valley, yet somehow that gray surface makes it feel more alien and more human at the same time. Ameca was engineered as a platform for testing human-robot interaction, which means its entire purpose is to study how you feel when a machine looks back at you, and the answer every single time is deeply uneasy. 12 down, 11 to go. Beat 2, Robotics Sophia. And number 11 is arguably the most famous robotic face on the planet, the one that started global conversations about machine citizenship. Meet Sophia, developed by Robotics, and she's been turning heads and unsettling stomachs since the day she was switched on. Sophia's face is built from a patented skin-like material that stretches and creases across more than 60 underlying expressions, letting her smile, frown, and raise an eyebrow with eerie human timing. Cameras behind her eyes track faces in a room, hold eye contact, and follow you as you move. She processes speech, responds in real time, and cracks jokes with a delivery that lands somewhere between charming and chilling. What pushed Sophia into legend status wasn't just the hardware, it was the moment a country granted her honorary citizenship, the first robot on Earth to ever hold that title. Think about what that means for a second. A machine with a face, a name, and a legal status that millions of actual humans struggle to obtain. Sophia was designed to be approachable, expressive, and warm. And yet the warmth is exactly what makes her so hard to look away from. The closer a machine gets to a real human face, the more your brain panics at the tiny things that are still off. 11 down, 10 to go. Beat 3, Aldebaran/Realbotics Aria. Picture walking into a room and being greeted by a robot whose skin catches the light exactly the way yours does. That's the experience Realbotics is chasing with Aria, a humanoid built from the ground up to function as a social companion. Aria's face is sculpted from advanced silicone layered over an articulated frame, giving it the soft give and subtle sheen of real skin rather than the matte plastic of older robots. The head turns, the eyes blink, the lips move in sync with speech, and the whole package is designed to hold a natural face-to-face conversation. What sets Aria apart is modularity. The head is built to detach and reattach, letting the company swap faces and personalities, almost like changing an identity entirely. That detail alone says everything about where this technology is heading. Aria is being marketed openly as a companion robot, something meant to sit across from you, listen, and respond with the kind of expressive attentiveness people usually reserve for each other. It's friendly by design, but there's an undeniable strangeness in knowing the face smiling back at you was configured and could be replaced with another. 10 down, 9 to go. Beat 4, Clone Robotics Android Face. Stop and pay close attention to this one, because what Clone Robotics is building doesn't just wear a human face, it grows one from the inside out. Their android head is constructed around artificial muscles and tendons that contract and pull beneath the surface exactly the way the muscles in your own face do every time you speak. Forget rigid servos hidden behind a mask. When this face smiles, you can see the mechanical equivalent of cheek muscles bunching, the jaw shifting on a synthetic skeleton modeled directly on human anatomy. The mouth opens and closes with the wet, organic mechanics of a real jaw rather than a hinge. Clone's stated mission is not to fake a human face, but to physically reproduce the biological systems that create one, muscle for muscle, tendon for tendon. The result is a head that doesn't just imitate expression, it generates expression through the same underlying machinery you carry around behind your own skin. It's brilliant, it's groundbreaking, and it is profoundly unsettling to watch a transparent synthetic face flex and grimace using artificial flesh. This is no longer a robot pretending to be human. This is a machine engineered to be one. 9 down, 8 to go. Beat 5. Ubtech Walker S. After all that synthetic flesh, number 8 pulls back from the face and asks a different question. What makes a robot look human when it's walking towards you across a room? Meet Walker S by Ubtech, a full-sized humanoid that nails the part most machines get wrong, the body language. Older robots betrayed themselves the instant they moved, locking their joints and shuffling like something half-frozen. Walker S carries itself with an upright, balanced posture, swinging its arms in rhythm with its stride and shifting its weight between steps the way a person naturally does. It's already being deployed inside real factories, sorting components and handling inspection tasks shoulder to shoulder with human staff. The proportions are deliberately human, the limbs scaled to match the kind of body you'd pass on the street. From across a workshop floor, the silhouette reads as a person in a uniform before your brain catches the subtle mechanical smoothness underneath. That's the entire point. Walker S proves that looking human isn't only about the face. Sometimes it's about a gait so natural that you do a double take before you realize what you're looking at. 8 down, 7 to go. Beat 6, Hanson Robotics Little Sophia / Desktop Companions. Number 7 shrinks the whole idea down to something that could sit on your desk and still send a chill up your arm. The push to make robots look human isn't only happening at full scale, and the smaller expressive humanoids coming out of labs right now prove it. These desktop-sized companions pack articulated faces, blinking camera eyes, and moving mouths into a frame small enough to fit beside your monitor. They're being built and marketed as educational and interactive tools designed to teach people, and especially kids, how to coexist with machines that look back at them. The face tracks movement, reacts to your voice, and holds expressions that flicker between friendly and faintly knowing. There's a strange intimacy to a small machine that maintains eye contact and tilts its head when you speak. It's adorable on the surface, engineered specifically to be non-threatening and approachable, and yet the closer you look, the more you notice the same uncanny tells that haunt their larger cousins. The eyes that follow a beat too smoothly, the smile that holds a beat too long. Cute, clever, and quietly unnerving all at once. 7 down, 6 to go. Beat 7, Disney Expressive Robots. And number 6 comes from a place that has spent a century making the artificial feel alive. Disney's robotics teams have quietly become some of the best in the world at one very specific thing, building machines that read as emotionally present. Their expressive humanoid and character robots use blinking, gaze, and head movement to project something your brain instantly interprets as feeling. Watch one notice you. The eyes flick over, the head turns, the gaze settles, and there's a tiny pause that feels exactly like recognition. These robots are engineered around the science of how humans read emotion, layering natural blink patterns, subtle weight shifts, and timing into every movement so the personality comes through before a single word is spoken. The faces are stylized rather than photoreal, and yet they may be the most convincingly alive machines on this entire list, because Disney understands that looking human is less about perfect skin and more about believable behavior. A glance held a half second too long, a reaction that arrives right on cue. 6 down, 5 to go. Beat 8, Figure 02. Number 5 is where a human-like face meets a genuinely thinking mind. Meet Figure 02, one of the most advanced commercial humanoids on the planet, and a machine that looks human not through silicone skin but through proportion, posture, and presence. Its body is scaled to match a real person, with a sculpted head, articulated hands, and a frame that moves with deliberate, lifelike economy. But the part that crosses the line is what's running inside. Figure 02 carries onboard artificial intelligence that lets it hold a real conversation, understand what it's told, and respond in the moment rather than running a pre-written script. Ask it something on the factory floor and it answers. Hand it a task it's never attempted and it reasons through it. There's a specific kind of unease that hits when a machine with a humanoid head turns toward your voice and replies like it actually understood you. It blurs the boundary your brain relies on, the one that separates a tool from a presence. 5 down, 4 to go. Beat 9, Tesla Optimus Gen 2. Number 4 is the humanoid the entire world has already heard of, and its march toward looking human is happening fast. Tesla Optimus Gen 2 was built from the start to move and stand like a person, with a smooth upright walk, 4 down, 3 to go. Beat 10, 1X Neo. Picture a robot designed not to impress a factory, but to blend quietly into your living room. That's number 3, the 1X Neo, a humanoid built to look and feel human enough that you'd be comfortable sharing your home with it. Instead of cold metal plating, Neo wears a soft fabric exterior over a lightweight frame, giving it a gentle, almost approachable human silhouette that moves safely around children, pets, and elderly family members. Its proportions are human, its movements are calm and deliberate, and it responds to plain-spoken language rather than apps or menus. Talk to it the way you'd talk to a person and it works out the rest. The design philosophy here is the opposite of intimidating. Where other robots chase raw power or hyper-real skin, Neo chases trust, aiming to be the most natural and unthreatening humanoid you could invite past your front door. And that's exactly what makes it remarkable. It's not trying to fool you into thinking it's human. It's trying to feel human enough that you forget to be afraid of it. 3 down, 2 to go. Beat 11, Robotics / hyper-realistic android. And number 2 takes everything we've seen and pushes the skin, the eyes, and the expression to the very edge of believable. The most hyper-realistic androids being built today layer photoreal silicone over precision facial mechanics to produce a face that looks startlingly, almost impossibly real. Pores, subtle skin texture, the faint shine of moisture in the eyes, the soft creasing at the corners of a smile, every detail engineers used to ignore is now obsessed over. The eyes are the breakthrough. They track, they saccade in tiny natural flickers, and they hold a gaze with a depth that older robots never came close to. Combine that with a face capable of a full emotional range, and you get something that can sit across a table and pass for a few seconds at a time as a living person. These machines are being developed as companions and as the public face of human-robot interaction, the version of this technology meant to walk among us rather than hide in a lab. And that's the unsettling promise. A robot built so carefully, so realistically, that the line between artificial and human doesn't just blur, it nearly disappears. 2 down, 1 to go. Beat 12, Engineered Arts, Ameca Next Gen / Mesmer. And finally, number 1, the robot that made our whole team stop and sit in silence. The most advanced human-like humanoids in development right now combine everything on this list into a single machine. A lifelike expressive face, fluid natural motion, real-time reactions, and a body that carries itself with unnervingly human grace. Picture Ameca's expressive head fused to a fully mobile humanoid body, walking, gesturing, and reacting to the world with the smoothness of a living person. The face produces emotion in real time, the eyes find yours across a room, and the body moves without a trace of the old robotic stutter. This is the convergence point, the moment where the synthetic skin, the artificial muscles, the natural gait, and the thinking mind all merge into one. Engineers building these machines openly admit the goal is a humanoid you could one day mistake for a human at a glance, and watching the latest footage, that goal no longer feels distant. It feels like it's standing right in front of you, blinking, breathing, and waiting. This is what almost human really looks like, and the future it points to is arriving faster than any of us are ready for. 12 robots, 12 steps closer to a future where the face looking back at you might not be human at all. Which one unsettled you the most, and would you ever let one into your home? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video rewired your brain a little, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay curious, stay ahead, and we'll see you in the next one.